In this video, I'm going to be covering the A to Z of TikTok ads and affiliate marketing. So buckle up, because if you follow everything that I'm going to share in this video, you could be taking home some really big affiliate checks. What's up? For those of you that don't know me, my name is Neil and I run Links Digital Agency, and I help hundreds of people make money through ads, and I'm about to help you next. So let's jump into this video. So affiliate marketing, at its simplest, it's basically you getting paid to promote other people's products. And with TikTok ads, some of the most common products that we see people promoting are things like digital products, and this could be stuff like courses, ebooks, physical products. This could be things like e-commerce products or little trinkets or subscriptions, supplements, things like that, or software, SaaS. This could be things like Honey, Slack, your run-of-the-mill software companies. And the reason I'm making this video specifically for TikTok ads is because I'm super excited about the opportunity available. The reason for that is because TikTok ads are brand new. That means the ad costs are relatively low compared to some of the other ad platforms, and there's very little competition. But with any ad platform and affiliate marketing, regardless of whether it's TikTok ads or YouTube ads, there is one crucial equation that determines your success with affiliate marketing. You see, affiliate marketing is just a numbers game, and it all just boils down to how much you can get a sale for versus how much your payout is. In other words, how much is your cost of customer acquisition versus how much is the company that you're promoting a product for willing to pay you for that customer. So let's say a company is willing to pay you $100 for every new customer that you bring in, and your cost to bring in a new customer through ads is, let's say, $50. Well, then at the end, you would be left with $50 in profit, which sounds like a great time. However, in certain cases, if your numbers don't line up, and let's say the company is only paying you $60 per customer that you bring in, and you can't bring in a customer for, let's say, $80, well, then you will be losing $20. So at its most basic level, affiliate marketing is just this simple equation. And in order for you to make a lot of money with affiliate marketing, you are going to have to manipulate those two variables. You want your payout to be as high as possible, and you want your costs to be as low as possible. So let's get into it. Let's talk about how you can actually manipulate these two variables. And we will first start off with maximizing your payout. In the beginning, you do have to be a little bit careful when selecting your product that you're willing to promote. And this is because it becomes a little bit difficult to actually change the first variable, your payout, after the fact that you've actually selected your product. Most products have a set payout amount, and it's something that you can't really change. So this is why I always recommend that people, when first starting out, always go for a high ticket item. And this is even true with TikTok ads. So even with TikTok ads where ad costs are low, I recommend having at least a $50 payout for e-commerce products, and at minimum a $100 payout with digital products. Now that we have our payout numbers, let's actually talk about how you can go out there and actually find products to promote. Well, one of the easiest ways to go about this is to join an affiliate network. So this would be things like ClickBank, Max Bounty, Verve. Now, this is the easiest option by far. You can just log on to these platforms. They already have products for you to pick and promote, and you can see what other people are also promoting, so you have a better idea of what will actually work. Now, some of the drawbacks with these affiliate networks, even though they're very easy to set up and get going, is that the products aren't really the best quality products out there. And combined with the fact that lots of other people are also on these affiliate networks, you find that some of these products get saturated very, very quickly. So what I recommend is that you go out there and find individual products that are not part of any sort of affiliate network, and preferably products that you are actually profitable about. Even in e-commerce, what I would recommend is go find a single product store, or a niche brand that only deals with one particular thing. So for e-commerce, an example of this would be gaming chairs. And I'm saying gaming chairs because we used to promote them back in the day, though they're a little bit saturated now. But at the time of it, they were fantastic products to promote. Why? Because they weren't part of any sort of affiliate network. They were a tangible product, and they were the company that we went with made really good product. So we saw that in the reviews and people actually buying it. And their payouts were fantastic. So I think the chairs retailed from anywhere from $300 to $500, and the company was willing to pay out 25% commission. So definitely over our $50 minimum. And the fact that nobody else was promoting it was a great bonus when it came to actually getting ads that weren't saturated. So that's a great example of an e-commerce product that I recommend that you go and try and model after and find something similar. With digital courses and digital products, I kind of recommend the same thing. You want to go out there and find your own products to promote, and the higher ticket, the better. Go out there and find digital products that interest you. Maybe it's some courses that you yourself took in the past and really enjoyed and want to share with a lot of people. Now, if you are having trouble finding a digital product to promote, well, lucky for you, in the top link of this description, we have an affiliate program for our TikTok ads masterclass. And you can go out and check that out and see what that's all about.
Hey guys, before we continue with the video, I quickly do want to take a second to talk about today's video sponsor, which is me. More specifically, the TikTok ads masterclass that I put together. Now, a lot of you already know this, but TikTok ads are the hottest thing in advertising right now, and rightfully so. I would kind of compare them to, say, Facebook ads in 2015, 2016. They're that good. So I put together this masterclass, which is designed to bring anyone up to speed and set them up for success with TikTok ads. And right now you can take advantage of our special introductory launch pricing and get the masterclass at a massive discount. If you are interested, check the link in the description below. And with that, let's jump back into the video.
Now that you have your product selected, the next thing you're going to need is a dedicated landing page. This is where you're going to be sending all of that TikTok traffic and taking them off of the app. So the reason I recommend a dedicated landing page as opposed to sending people directly to the affiliate page is because TikTok does not like branded affiliate links. For some reason, they are not cool with it. So what will happen is that you will start sending people to the affiliate link and your accounts will get banned. Unfortunately, this is one of the things that is a limitation with TikTok ads. However, what I actually recommend is that you use your own landing page, not only so that you don't get banned, but you can also collect data. Not only by pixelating the people that are visiting your page for remarketing, you can also start doing things like capturing emails so you actually build an audience and can promote multiple offers to them. So you will likely need to buy a new domain and set up a landing page, and this doesn't have to be anything fancy. You can use any of the other landing page builders out there. So this could be things like ClickFunnels, Unbounce, even WordPress will suffice. It doesn't have to be fancy, but it does have to be there. So now that you have your product selected and you have a landing page set up, let's jump into step number 3, which is setting up proper tracking. Before you even launch or think about launching ads, you need to make sure that you have proper tracking installed. This is because you're going to be spending money on ads and you want to be able to measure the results of your ads. Without that, you're basically shooting in the dark here. Now, for the purposes of this video not being 7 hours long, I've made a free video that goes into exactly how you can use the TikTok Pixel and set up conversion tracking on your landing pages. You can access it in the description below. And with that, let's jump into the next thing you need to nail. Right away, I will tell you the biggest thing needed for success on TikTok is that your ads actually need to look like organic TikTok videos. First off, if you haven't already done this, go ahead, download the TikTok app right now and make a regular user account. And you need to do this to understand what an organic TikTok video looks like. You need to understand what sort of videos are actually going viral on TikTok, what are the latest trends, what's the trending music and general trends that are taking off right now. Because the thing is, these type of things, the trends, the trendy music is what converts better on TikTok, even with ads. And when you have this fundamental understanding of what makes a good organic TikTok video, you can kind of apply that into ads with this following formula. So whenever you're making your ads, you want to follow this general framework and you want to start your ads by pointing out a problem. Ideally, this is a problem that your product or service that you're promoting actually solves. And you want to point it out in the beginning half of your video ad. And this can be as simple as asking the viewer a question or doing a little voiceover with the question written out. It doesn't have to be fancy, but you do need to point out a problem. Now, the second half of the framework is that you are going to tease the solution. You aren't actually going to go out there and give people the solution to their problems. In fact, you are just going to tease them and basically bait them into clicking on your ad in order to get the solution. In order for your viewer to actually get access to the solution, they're going to have to jump on your call to action, which is most likely going to be clicking on the link in the ad itself. So this basic framework combined with the organic trend side is going to be your formula to making high converting ads. So let me go over a couple of very quick examples to kind of illustrate this framework. Again, this isn't going to be anything fancy, but it should drive the point home of what this framework needs to be like. So let's say you were selling something like a sleeping supplement, so something like melatonin. What you can do is make an ad, and the ad can go something like this. Did you know the #1 reason why people under 30 are constantly tired and unfocused is because they can't get enough REM sleep? But lucky for you, we found this one tiny little hack that will get you more REM sleep every single night without you having to change any of your sleeping habits. If you want access to it, just click the link in the ad below. Again, this is not the greatest example of a TikTok ad, but I hope that you get the point. You need to play on the problems and then tease the solution. And if you can make the ad really highly engaging, and better yet, use those TikTok trends and make it feel like an organic video, well, then you are going to hit a home run. So now that you have a stellar product to promote, you have a dedicated landing page, you set up your conversion tracking, and you have a highly converting ad out there, you are ready to go out there and launch some TikTok ad campaigns. Now, if you want a step-by-step guide on how to actually launch your TikTok ad campaigns, well then on the top link of this video, I've included a link to our TikTok Masterclass, which goes through the A to Z steps on launching your TikTok campaigns. Go check it out in the top link of the description below.